Credit card tips to avoid missing a credit card payment. Don't miss a credit card payment if you are planning on purchasing a home. Sure, we may not always be great about planning for our future, and past mistakes can come back and haunt us, especially when it comes to being sloppy with our credit. Hi, this is Keran with Homestar Financial, and in this video I'm going to share some important tips to help you avoid missing a credit card payment. The most important factor in calculating your FICO credit score is your payment history. In other words, your ability to make your credit card and car payments on time. This accounts for 1/3 of your score, and we all know that when you're getting a mortgage, your credit score is important. It can determine what interest rate you get, or even if you qualify at all. Want to know an interesting statistic? It's expected that this year 42 million Americans will have a late payment on their credit. In other words, they're going to pay late fees and possibly even have a negative strike on their credit report. And it gets even crazier. High-income earners are more likely to miss credit card payments than low-income earners. In a recent survey by Wallet Hub, of those that will miss a credit card payment will do so because they forgot. It could be that they were traveling, or just got busy, or maybe lost track of the bill. That's 23 million Americans who will miss a credit card payment for reasons that are totally avoidable. When you're looking to buy a home or refinance in this market, the last thing you want to pay is a higher interest rate. Because of your credit score, or even worse, have to wait to improve your credit to go through with the transaction. A late payment on your credit card can stay on your credit for up to 7 years. And if you have too many strikes on your credit report, it can take getting your dream home a nightmare and way more difficult than it needs to be. And who needs life to be more complicated? So we have 2 tips for you. Number 1, you have a smartphone, use it. Put a reminder in 10 days before your due date. That way you have plenty of time to send in your payment. Tip number 2 is even better. Go online and make an account with your credit card company and set an automatic payment of the minimum amount that's due by the due date every month. This way you know you'll never be late. No, it's not a great thing to make a minimum payment, but that's not what you're trying to do. You're just making sure the minimum payment by the due date to make sure that you never have a late mark on your credit. You can go online, make as many payments as you want during that billing cycle, because you don't want to get killed with interest or take forever to pay it down. Don't pay late fees or hurt your credit just because you've forgotten, you were traveling, or you were unorganized. It's not worth it. Now, what if you truly can't afford the payment? Don't ignore the bill. Pick up the phone and call your credit card company. Most credit card companies will work with you to come up with a temporary solution, especially if your account is in good standing. We hope this video helps you guard your credit and your credit score. I'm Keran with Homestar Financial. If you or someone you know are looking to buy or sell or refinance, reach out to me and call the number in the description below. As always, thank you for watching.